Hey guys, Stephen here, and we're back to another Roblox tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you on how you can build an Obby. So we're basically gonna try to create a new game. We're gonna build a kill brick, checkpoint, and we're also gonna build some moving platforms. And then we're gonna expand, and this is gonna be a series where we would try to create an OB under certain minutes, maybe an hour or 2 hours. So let's try to start. So first off, what we're gonna make is, of course, the main antagonist of the game, which would be kill bricks. So let's start. So initially, let's have a part. This is gonna be our part. We're gonna name this kill brick, and this would be our main antagonist. So let's make him red. And our supporting roles would be checkpoints, or let's just create a folder for it and name it checkpoint. And then let's put it under that, and let's put one. So this is the first checkpoint, and then let's put another, naming this would be our two checkpoints. And since we're making the check two supporting roles, we're gonna make two kill brick. And there we go. Now let's try to make this. Let's try to rotate this and make it a little bit larger. And let's just delete that and copy this, then move it on the other one. And then let's make our first checkpoint a little bit nearer, and then another one, let's say maybe after two kill bricks. So let's duplicate this, copy that, take this, but this time we're gonna put this on just one side. Let's put it on one side, other side, so that we would have a big old platform here. And let's put our neutral factions here. Let's put that, oops. So this would be neutrals. And we're gonna mix and match later on, but yeah, I think this is too much. Yeah, that's too much. Let's make that, let's do it as simple as it gets. So first off, what we're gonna discuss is how you can create a kill break, which is first and foremost, we're gonna add some script here. We're gonna make this simple. Human or help 0. We're gonna make this simple. I'm gonna copy the code and paste it here, and then you copy it and then paste it in your game, so that we can be fast. So we have our first kill break. So let us anchor this guys first, and let's play. So now we have our own kill break, and now let's move towards our first support role, which is our checkpoint. And how would we code the checkpoint? First is we're gonna create a server script service, put in some script, rename this to leaderboard. Oops. We're gonna be using this as a leaderboard moving forward. And then let's start. I'm gonna pick again, so we're gonna paste the code. Oops. We're gonna paste the code you copied on your end, pause it a bit so that this won't take too much time. So yeah, Now we have our leaderboard, which is the checkpoints. We have discussed this on other videos, like all of what we're doing. So feel free to go over to that if you want to see or hear an explanation on how we built this stuff, how the checkpoint, how the kill brick is being made, and we've discussed it line per line. So on this video, we're gonna focus on our OB because it's gonna be a series of videos that we're gonna do, and right now we're just gonna be copy pasting codes, and feel free to copy the codes. So another one that we're gonna do is checkpoints. So we're gonna go with checkpoints. It's gonna be our code, and then I'm gonna copy paste our code. Oops, wrong control A. And now it's done. So first you have the function of the checkpoint folder, checkpoints. So rename this as checkpoints. And then we have the function of the player respawning or respawning to that specific checkpoint in whatever you reach. So let's test this out. First, we have now a kill break and a checkpoint. So let's not go over to that. So we have a checkpoint number one. Let's try to, we haven't coded that script, so let's go back here. We should be there now. And now we have our first checkpoint. Now we're gonna code the script and some neutrals, and then we're gonna have to have a moving platform on this, and maybe remove the base plate once we're at it. So this is too long for now. So right now we have created the kill brick, and now we have created a checkpoint in our game. So if you want to follow on this series on how we're making our own Obi game, you've got the right video. And wait for part 2. And if you're watching this in the part 2 and maybe part 3 and part 4 is already released, we'll put it on a playlist so you can watch it directly. So catch you on another video. Bye bye.